still, and mine will. Oh, someday, 'cause it's only love. It'll go away. It's only love. It'll go away.
Would you? Would you play with me? Should my lips grow dry? Would you wet them here in the midnight hour? Should my lips grow dry? Would you go away to another place from 1,000 miles through the burning sand? Wipe the rain from my dying hand if I give myself to you.
Will you lay in the street where the road is torn? Will you lay with me? Will you love me when I can't if I drop will you stand by me? Would you
Walk 1,000 miles through the burning sand. Wipe the rain from my dying hand. Would you lay with me in a field of stone if my needs were strong? Would you lay?
Direct from Music City, USA, the home of country music. It's time for another edition of the world's longest running radio show, The Grand Ole Opry.
America's most beloved radio broadcast audience.
Sirius XM proudly takes you to country music's most famous stage for another week of magical Opry moments.
Always a special night when we're at the Grand Ole Opry.
The Grand Ole Opry replay, only here at Willie's Roadhouse, Sirius XM.
From the Grand Ole Opry House in Nashville, Tennessee, Humana is proud to present the 5,187th Saturday night performance of the Grand Ole Opry. Ladies and gentlemen, the Grand Ole Opry Clarinet. The Grand Ole Opry Square dance, everybody. Yeah, let 'em hear it. How about a hand for Abe and McLaughlin on the fiddle? Make a little noise for the Grand Ole Opry band getting us off and running tonight. And simply because it's Saturday night and you're at the Grand Ole Opry, make some noise. Yes! That's what we all gonna hear. It's gonna be a fun night. Welcome to the Grand Ole Opry, presented by Humana. I'm Mike Terry. I will be your host here this evening for this, the longest running radio show in the world. This year we are marking our 100th anniversary. We have been on the air continuously since November of 1925, and this has been one heck of a year so far, and it just keeps getting better as we go along. Tonight we've got a great lineup. One quick notice, Connie Smith will not be with us tonight. She was on the original lineup. She had to cancel at the last minute. We look forward to getting her back soon, but Connie will not be with us tonight. We do have one of CMT's next women of country tonight, and Pandora says she is one of country's women to watch. Ashlyn Kraft will be with us in a little bit. Over 1 million monthly listeners to his Spotify podcast. Tanner Ustry is in the house tonight. A lot of you know him as Deacon Claiborne from the TV series Nashville. Charles Heston will be here with us in just a little bit. We have a gentleman you may have seen on American Idol. Tonight he is making his debut performance on the Grand Ole Opry. Noah Thompson will be with us. She's a two-time CMA Female Vocalist of the Year, and one of my favorites, Kathy Mattea, will be out in just a little bit. And the most recorded Nashville musician in history, Charlie McCoy, is on stage with us tonight. Well, we are starting with a CMA